Oh!
What are you doing?
Come on, Bill.
Dead.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Going to the gun range. Billy wanted to drive. I said no.
Damn.
See if that'll fit. Good luck
Hey, that was a good one.
Here, Bill, you do it.
Hold on. Might go a little longer. Was it close?
Fuck no.
Hey, it's never been close right there.
All right, try it one more time.
All right, let's see.
It doesn't matter if it doesn't.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Hey, fuck you. How about that? Over on your left, this is called 5 stand. And the reason why it's called 5 stand is there are 5 stands. So what happens when he calls pull, hit A, and then when the gun goes off, you hit B. Okay. That's called a report pair.
All right. Oh. So we're out here with my man Jerry Todd Hayes from Huntington, West Virginia. Little college friends. And we're out here shooting today, learning some stuff. How you doing, Jerry?
I'm doing great, Bill.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out some sporting clays. What do you guys think so far?
It's fun.
It's fun.
I like it.
Golf with a shotgun. As long as we get out of here, nobody gets shot, nobody gets hurt, it's all good.
Right, right. We should have filmed the public safety part, but we didn't. Jerry gave us great instruction at the beginning.
We definitely covered all the bases.
We got young Mr. Hayes over here.
What's going on?
Seasoned veteran already.
Should have shaved.
And as you can see, this is like a tee box on a golf course, and there's one down there. Turn around, see.
Yeah, I'm not going insane. This one is shorter.
Lexi,
This
what?
one is shorter. Shorter than the other ones.
A little holster. Look at my holster. Huh?
Sweet, man.
Primarily what we shoot when we're doing sporting clays are 12 gauge rounds. Usually a 7.5 or an 8. And that is referring to the shot size that's in. The higher the number, the smaller the pellet size, diameter, but the more of them that are in there. These clay targets, all you have to do is nick an edge and it counts as a broken target, so you don't have to hammer them. The small pellet will do that. For the 12 gauge, we're shooting a 1 ounce, which just measures the amount of shot that's in there. Again, 1 ounce isn't a heavy load. These aren't competition rounds. It's just nice to come out and play around a little bit and not get your shoulder beaten up.
Yeah, you can definitely see that.
Okay, that's the difference between a 12 gauge shell and a 20 gauge shell.
Why are you so close, man? Oh!
Nice one. Nice.
Did I get that one?
Yeah, give me a smile.
Sweet.
2 for 2.
Just 2 here?
Yes.
Pull.
Oh, nice shot.
Nice.
Hey!
Yep, you get 2 more.
You get 2 more.
Well done.
Oh!
Got it.
Dead
Lost
there.
dead.
Another.
That first one's lower than I expected.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Billy, you did nice, man. You hit those first 2 right out of the gate.
I don't even think I saw the first.
Pull! Nice!
Oh! Oh!
It's in.
Nice. Oh!
What are you doing? Come on, Bill.
Dead. Dead loss.
Pull. Good, Dave.
Nice.
Did you hit both? Pull.
Oh, you got that first one.
What'd you think?
Pretty fun.
I know it was.
Yeah, I already paid for us.
I got 25, you got 17.
Cool. Ryan, I'm glad you came out, man.
Nice.
What can I get for you?
Have a couple of those barbecues, please.
Captain, how we doing?
We're doing all right. We're still on top of the water,
That's a good place to be.
which is good. We're not belling, which is good. Yep. You ready? I'm ready.
Big habit.